Investors are sending mixed signals about the future of the US economy. On one hand, the price of gold and Bitcoin are soaring, reaching record highs. But on the other hand, the treasury market remains remarkably calm, with bond yields staying low. We'll delve into these seemingly contradictory trends and what they might mean for the US fiscal future. Take a look.
The US national debt has ballooned to a record $27 trillion, with the budget deficit reaching $1.7 trillion in fiscal year 2023. This rapid debt accumulation is raising concerns about the country's long-term fiscal health. As a result, investors are seeking alternative sources of value. Gold prices have surged to a record high of $2,431 per ounce, often viewed as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, has also experienced significant gains, reaching a peak of $73,803 in March. The treasury market, a key indicator of investor confidence in the US government's ability to repay its debts, remains relatively calm. Yields on treasury bonds, which reflect the perceived risk of holding them, haven't significantly risen despite the growing debt. The U.S. Congressional Budget Office projects the U.S. debt held by the public to reach 106% of GDP by 2028, compared to 97% in 2023. This rapid growth is fueling anxieties about a potential debt crisis, especially considering the rising interest payments on the debt, which are already exceeding spending on national defense in some months. This fiscal pressure is driving investors towards an alternative assets like gold and Bitcoin, perceived as hedges against a weakening US dollar. Bitcoin has also benefited from the launch of new exchange-traded funds and the halving event, where rewards for mining are cut in half, historically bullish for its price. This conflicting scenario raises questions about the true risk perception surrounding US debt. Are gold and Bitcoin signaling a coming storm, or is the treasury market justified in its relative optimism? Only time will tell how these concerns will play out in the future. Bureau Report, WION World is One.